Hi guys, it's Jan from Jandle in the City. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome or welcome back. I appreciate all of you stopping by today to watch my video. Today's video, guys, is going to be a first for me. It is going to be a DIY project. It's going to be something that I am working on for my front deck. I'm replacing the old traditional hanging baskets that you have there, and I'm going to be doing something in faux flowers. So if you're interested, guys, keep on watching to the end to see the end result. So guys, we're out on the front deck. It does need a good scrubbing. Here are the urns that I'm going to replace the flowers in, and this top holder is going to be removed. I've had it out there for many years. It's a cast iron. I'm going to remove it to my back patio and stick it in my planters there. So guys, here's two of them. Keep on watching. So this is my inspiration for my planters this year. It's a wreath that I made and I stuck in some lemons. Just wanted to give you an overview look. This is what I will be using as my inspiration for my faux flowers in my cast iron pots. So guys, I wanted to start off with a list of the supplies that I'll be using today to make over the urns that are outside on the front deck. These are some old hanging basket pots that I kept, and they fit inside the urns perfectly. I did pick up some foam from the dollar store. Don't mind the old pots, it'll be all covered up. Picked up this foam from the dollar store along with these round ones, and that's just some old glue that's on that one. Two of these that will go inside the pot perfectly like this, give it some weight and also some structure and durability. I have two of these pots. So the rest of the supplies, guys, I did pick up from the dollar store. I picked up some of these ferns. They're not the greatest quality, but they're used as some fillers, and these ones cost $3, and I've got about 6 of those. I did pick up some of these other greeneries, and these ones were $1.50 for these. I picked up some of those as fillers. And all of these supplies, guys, are from the dollar store. You can pick them up at Dollar Plus, Dollarama, Dollar Store, whatever in your neighborhood. I picked up these random yellow ones that will give it some height. And I found these really cool plastic ones. Those ones were picked up at HomeSense along with these. These are really cool. These were picked up at HomeSense. So those are the only two items from HomeSense, guys. The rest of them are from your local dollar store. I picked up some of these hydrangeas, and these ones were $1.75 per stem. I picked up some of these random white ones. They are in a bunch like this, you can see, and these ones were $3 a bunch. I picked up some pink ones. These ones are really fun. I don't know what these are called, but these ones were $1.75 per bunch. I got a couple of those. I picked up these orange ones that are kind of cute. I think these ones were $1.75. Yes, $1.75 for those as well. I picked up some random pink ones. These were $2 for the bunch. And of course, I picked up some really nice daisies. And you get quite a few on this bunch. And this is just one stem for $3. I picked up a couple of these really nice little mums. These were $1.75, and then I picked up two of these, which are really cool. I like these. These are $3. So let's start with the project. I'm going to go through some of the other items that we need first. So some of the other items, guys, that you'll be needing is some wire cutters. The glue I picked up at the dollar store along with the glue gun. This one is also picked up at the dollar store. It's a Craft Master. It was like $4. And then I picked up some more of the glue. These are multi-purposes, so you can use them in all your glue guns, high temp, low. I'm using a low temp today. And I did buy the smaller ones to go into this particular glue gun. I also have some gloves that I'll be using, as well as an old knife I use to cut my foam. Start off first by gluing down these round pieces. So let's go ahead and we'll put some glue down. You don't need that much. It's just to secure it a little bit. And go ahead and put our foam piece on top, and we'll do that for both of them. And I have glued them together. There is both of them there. And I just want to state that I am not a florist by any means. I have never taken a course. This is my first time putting this together. I have done other craft projects, but nothing like this one. So if you're interested, guys, in seeing how this turns out and following along with me, subscribe to the channel, give me a comment and a like. So guys, we're going to start off with the greenery, the fern on the bottom. And I have 6 of these, so I'll be using 3 per planter. So guys, I've gone ahead and I have put some glue on the stem, and we will put it into the pot. And I do have some other fillers, so let me just pull back so you can see that. So guys, I've gone ahead and I've stuck the first one in there. I'm going to go ahead and put the other 3 in to fill up the other sides. This is a shot of all 3 of them glued into both pots. I'm going to go ahead and put this long plastic branch into the top of the arrangement, and I'll work my way around that. So there it is, guys. I put that one in. So let's keep going. I've gone ahead and I've put the yellow tall one in the back, as you can see there. And I'm doing both of them at the same time to save me some time. I'm not going to go ahead and show you every single stem that I'm gluing in, because that would get a little boring. So I will show you periodically what I'm doing. So if you like what I'm doing, guys, you like what's on my channel, hit that subscribe button, give me a like and a comment. I greatly appreciate it. And if you want to see the end result, keep on watching. The next one I'm going to put in is this beautiful pink one. And I'm going to put it right in the front there. I want to give you an overview of what I've completed so far. As you can see here, I need some more moss. I'm going to stick in underneath when I'm done. I still have a lot to do. This is the rest of the flowers, guys, I'm going to put in there. So, stand back and give you another look. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut all of these individually. And I'm going to place some probably around this area here. Not quite sure. So I'm going to go ahead, guys, and I'm going to cut all the stems on all of these flowers so I don't have to waste much time. I just want to give you an update here. I'm just randomly putting in some filler flowers, as you can see here. And I'm going to be getting some moss to fill in all the dead space. And I'm not too worried about the back because that will face the door. And I'm not a florist, and I'm sure a lot of florists out there are going to be just biting their tongue saying, what is this woman doing? She's not doing it how you're supposed to do it in 2s, 3s, and 1s and clump them all together. But I'm just working to the beat of my own drum. If I like it, I'm happy with it, that's okay. So here's what I've done so far, guys. I decided to stick a couple lemons in there because these are almost the same colors that I have on my wreath on the door. And I'll give you a shot of that. But I thought it adds a little bit of whimsical. Here is almost the finished project. I really like how they turned out. I know it doesn't follow the guidelines for making florals if you're a florist, but I like how they are. And I guess that's the only important thing, right? So I'm going to add some more lemons and stick them out on the porch. It's sitting up just a little too high. I need to move the pots down, and I'm going to add in some falling ivy and also my moss and some more fillers. Here's another view from a different angle, and I think they turned out really good. Here's a close-up of what they look like. Like I said, they're not finished. They do need some trailing ivy, but overall I think they look amazing. So guys, thank you for staying to the end of the video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, give me a like, and hit that subscribe button, guys. Till next time, have an amazing day. Bye-bye.